Madam President, this House is very concerned about the decision by the Sudanese government to expel humanitarian organisations from Darfur, a move which could have catastrophic results for hundreds of thousands of innocent civilians. We understand that Commissioner Michel, the EU Presidency, the UN's Emergency Relief Coordinator, President Obama and many others have involved themselves in trying to effect a reversal of this decision. Since this is a very sensitive matter requiring very delicate handling, we consider that before any resolution is passed by this House, every possible chance must be given to these efforts to be successful. Therefore, we will vote against this resolution, not because we disagree with its contents, but because we must wait to see the outcome of the aforementioned efforts. This we consider to be the most sensible and wise thing to do at this point in time and under the present circumstances. Thank you.